Hey, I have in front of me a whole lot of packages. I have Amazon packages. I have packages from AliExpress. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't know what is what. It was my birthday earlier, so a lot of you actually bought a bunch of stuff from my Throne page, which is great. I will put a link in the description. It's basically a wish list where you can suggest products to put in there. You can buy products that I put in there. If there's a product you would like me to urgently make a video about, for example, you can suggest it and then buy it. Anyways, we're gonna be picking a random package, and let's start with the big one. There we go. Lighting should be better. This is weird shadows. And let's open this. No idea what it is yet, but you probably already know because of the title. Cool. Since I've been making a lot of videos about tech products. Oh, so wait, what? That's way more than I thought it was on the listing. Wait. I need to pull up the listing. I thought it was way less than that, actually. Oh, never mind. I guess I didn't pay attention enough. That's a lot of markers. That is so cool. I have it for a bunch of DIY projects, and those are all permanent markers, which means that I can draw on plastic, most importantly for 3D printed parts and things like that. So this is it was gifted to me by Daylo, which coincidentally I'm actually raising money for so that she can get a laser cutter for her neon sign business. There will also be a link in the description. This is the stuff that I dreamed of when I was a kid. And I'm pretty sure I had some when I was a kid. So I'm not gonna be like, oh, I never had that. I did. There's a little bit of tape here. Nice. So the brand seems to be Shuttle Art. It's not a brand that I really know. And pick up the hot pink. This is what they look like. Permanent marker, fine point, very important. You know what? I'm gonna reveal it. The reason why I wanted this is because I plan on 3D printing covers for my Elgato Stream Deck, and then I can customize them by just drawing on them. They came out with a star-filled one, and I didn't get one. To be fair, I didn't ask for one. That's mostly why. But it definitely made me want to DIY my own. All right, I need some paper. Okay, I got a little notebook here. Smells fresh. Smell test, pass. No problem with paper whatsoever. Actually, the color is pretty vibrant, but you don't usually use permanent marker to write on paper, right? Oh, I'm gonna 3D print a little like organizer for those, because this is not gonna cut it, unfortunately. I don't like this. I'm surrounded by electronics and I don't want to like write on whatever, but let's write on this SD card reader, for example. Let me just take this off. Zoom in a bit. Nice. All right, let's go with blue. Whatever, let's make a mess. Yeah, that light blue is super light. Okay, slightly transparent. Maybe if I go over it again. Way more opaque. Alright, so as you can see, the colors are very accurate. There was a bunch of them that I was kind of skeptical of, but they turned out great. The camera's not really doing it justice because there's a big difference between the two yellows at the bottom. But overall, for permanent markers, I am pretty satisfied. I'm really happy, and I immediately, you know, messed up the order and everything. That doesn't matter. So, shout out to Daylo once again for getting me this on my Throne page. Link will be in the description. Thank you so much. If you would like to get them for yourself, I will put this product or an equivalent in the description also. It will be an affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.